is not enabled on PC. Hack Advanced Fix Guide, why this error appears. The secure boot is not enabled error usually happens when Battlefield 6 or its anti-cheat, EA anti-cheat, or Easy anti-cheat requires secure boot for integrity verification. Your BIOS secure boot is turned off or misconfigured. You recently switched drives, reinstalled Windows, or changed BIOS mode, Legacy UEFI. 1. Check secure boot status. 1. Press WinR, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Press Enter, find. Secure boot state should say on. BIOS mode must be UEFI, not Legacy. If off or unsupported, follow below. Tab 2. Enable secure boot in BIOS. 1. Restart your PC. Tap your BIOS key repeatedly. Dell F2, F10, or ESC, depending on brand. Asus F2, Dell MSI, Dell HP ESC10, Dell F23. Inside BIOS, go to Boot Security Advanced Secure Boot. 4. Enable Secure Boot. 5. Make sure boot mode equals UEFI. 6. Save changes. Exit BIOS. 3. Convert Legacy MBR to UEFI GPT. If BIOS mode equals Legacy, Secure Boot won't work. To convert safely, 1. Open Command Prompt Admin. 2. Type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Once completed, restart, enter BIOS, switch boot mode to UEFI, enable Secure Boot. 4. Turn off Fast Boot CSM. Some boards require disabling Compatibility Support Module. BIOS Boot tab, CSM, Compatibility Support Module, disable, Fast Boot, disable, then save and exit. 5. Update BIOS if option missing. If you can't find Secure Boot, visit your motherboard manufacturer's website, download and install the latest BIOS update, restart, and check again. 6. Verify after restart. Open MS Info 32 again. Ensure Secure Boot state on. BIOS mode UEFI. If correct, Battlefield 6 will now launch without Secure Boot error. Extra tip for NVIDIA App users. If you use the NVIDIA App or EA App, make sure both are run as administrator. Game and app paths have no special characters or symbols. SEO package for YouTube video. SEO title fix Battlefield 6